How to reply to a specific message on Instagram 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to reply to a specific message on Instagram 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to do that, we just need to head over to our Instagram right here. And from in there, you can see this inbox icon. So just click on that and you can see my conversation here. So for this, I will choose this conversation right here, just conversation with friends. So in order to reply to a message, what I can do is to just click on their message right here or long click it. So let's click it and you can see that I can see my reactions that I can use to that, and I can also see the option to reply. So just click on reply like that and you will be able to send a reply. Another method is to just swipe from left right here to right and then release it, and as you can see I am now replying to that specific message. So let's reply on that again, and that's how you can do it. You can also reply to yourself, but instead of left to right, you just need to swipe from right to left. So let's do that right here on my message and then release it, and then as you can see right here, I can now reply to my message. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to reply to a specific message on Instagram 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, do not forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.